Hello fam, hope you're all doing great. So today we are doing a hair care video and I'll be tagging you along. So I just harvested my aloe vera plant and I decided why not give my hair a treat because it feels so dry, like really dry. I tend to wash my hair so often, so that causes the hair to be dry because for every wash I get the oils and the nutrients washed out of my hair. That means for every new hairstyle there is a wash. And speaking of hairstyles, have you checked the video that we did previously? If you haven't, do make sure to check it out. So let's go ahead and prepare our aloe vera. I first washed it and then removed the spikes that are on the sides of the aloe. Then cut it into small manageable pieces, and that's all. Then we go ahead to apply. Just a backstory, I've been struggling with my hair. I had relaxed my hair when I was starting this channel. I thought relaxing my hair would be better. Instead of subjecting my hair to heat all the time, why not relax it? I thought that would be a better option, but it did not work for me. My hair has been breaking, like I don't even know what to say. Along the way I decided I will not relax it anymore, so at the moment I'm transitioning back to natural. I'm sure you can tell by the way my hair looks like. If you can take a good look at it, towards the end my hair looks different. It looks kind of brownish. I don't know, I'm sure you can tell. And despite that I had to cut some. It's shorter than it used to be. I did cut a bit, then the rest I just left it. I'll cut it after it has grown to a good length. I will trim it. I did not want to shave everything, so I'm currently transitioning back to natural. Here are some of the benefits that you will get from using this aloe vera gel on your hair. Number one, it contains some enzymes that help to repair dead skin cells on the scalp, thus promoting healthy hair growth. Number two, it helps to balance pH levels on the hair. Number three, it conditions, strengthen hair strands, reducing breakage. It moisturizes and also helps to reduce dryness. Those are some of the benefits that you'll gain from using this mask. Keep watching. aloe veras were quite a lot, so I went for another round just to make sure I use everything on my hair. But you don't have to use everything on your hair, you can as well use it on your face. But for me, I wanted to use everything on my hair, and that's what I did. Can you see how easy it is to comb through the hair? Yeah, it was so easy and I loved it. I really enjoyed doing this one because for one, my hair gained a lot, and I also got to share with you guys. So if you are out there and you're also struggling with your hair, you can try these hacks and see how your hair gets better each and every day. So yeah, that is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and also check out the styling video, the one that we did previously, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Thank you for watching.